Welcome back. Forum for Right of Children's Education has now given a deadline till 6th June to take a final decision on the medium of instruction issue. They reiterated the demand of English as the medium of instruction in aided primary schools. They have threatened severe agitation if their demands are not met.
The more the government delays in taking a decision, the more problems the government itself will face. But we are very certain that on the 6th we want to start with English. The infrastructure is absolutely not a problem. We as parents will cooperate fully with the government to see that everything is in place to start by the 6th. And so far we have been very soft, we have been very mild, but it looks like the government doesn't understand this language. So, there is a possibility of intensifying the agitation because that is what the parents are demanding as of now.
A reporter from Madgaon, Ramesh Naik Raut.
India Against Corruption, a movement to eradicate corruption, started a campaign in Madgaon on Wednesday. All the people are asked to participate in the movement to fight against corruption. The members have plans to give the cards to all the MLAs with a print, "I am against corruption, are you?"
Members of Art of Living, Yuva Sanjeevani, a NGO in Ponda, Yuva de Goa NGO, Nav Disha, Ajinkya Tara Yuva Kranti Sanstha, Alcoholic Anonymous have come together to follow the work by Anna Hazare.
हो भ्रष्टाचार खंयच्याय पद्दतीन खंयच ताका उत्तेजीत दिवंक जायना आनी आमच्या हातांतल्यान तो घडूंक जायना. जेन्ना आमी लाच दितात तेन्ना त्या भ्रष्टाचाराक आमी खंय ना खंय तरी रिस्पॉन्सिबल आसतात. लाच दिवपी आसा म्हणून घेवपी आसा.
आय एम अगेन्स्ट करप्शन, आर यू, अशा प्रकारची जी कार्डां लायल्यात, अशी कार्डां आमी एक अपील करतले की जनरल सगळ्या लोकां कडेन की एक अवेरनेस म्हणून तांणी बी ही कार्डां लावची.
India Against Corruption, a nationwide movement of citizens, was formed few months ago by leader Anna Hazare. The movement is not limited to NGOs, but everybody should be a part of it to fight against corruption. Thousands of citizens fought the battle for Jan Lokpal Bill, and it was a success. The movement in Goa too will be a success if all participate in eliminating corruption. A reporter in Madgaon, Ramesh Naik Raut.
Production of spices like black pepper has been affected in recent years. Black pepper is cultivated in 717 hectares area with a total production of 230 tons. But Goa does not figure in the exporters list.
ICAR Research Complex Old Goa organized a one-day workshop on integrated pest and disease management in major spice crops of Goa. Goa currently cultivates 5 spice crops, namely black pepper, nutmeg, ginger, turmeric and a traditional variety of chili. However, the production of spices like black pepper has been plagued by pests and diseases in the past few years.
But last few years what we are observing and we are getting the feedback of the farmers, but they are also reporting that black pepper is facing problem for wilting. Wilting, there is a disease, it is soil-borne disease. So plant, when it become very healthy and when it is supposed to go for fruiting stage, then plant is going to completely die and slowly. So wilting is a big problem.
ICAR now plans to tackle this problem by using bioagents.
We have to go in beginning as a preventive methods, and for that is the bioagent the best solution. So since we have the division of plant pathology here, our scientists have worked last 2-3 years, and some bioagents are very much useful to manage this particular wilting problem.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.